whole Guerrero family is on board. Looks like we have a broken
Hey everyone, do a debrief on the main. Just really quick. I think finished 9th out of 18. Pretty good. Because of the good results of the first 2 races, I think I started up pretty high up,
so I didn't really
8th or 9th or something. Actually, a little more, maybe a little more up there. And then at turn 1, there was a lot of collision, and I got really lucky because it felt like parting the sea.
So it looks like that was on the
Everybody
exit
was crashing right and left, and then I just drove through the middle.
Very well could have been a chain that popped off going to
I lost count how many positions I picked up there.
That's one of the sections here at the track that's very if you're off
and I kept it. So I must have started like 12, 13. I mean, I qualified 14th, did a good job in the first 2 races. So I think maybe I started like 11, 12, 11. Move up a little bit when you qualified. And then, parting the sea in the first corner. And I got up to highest 8th.
It is a little tighter.
Actually, 8th on the very last lap. I had a very good battle with my teammate Reggie. With somebody else I don't know the name of, but he was trying to pass me for a couple times. I see the nose on the corner of my eye. He kept it very clean. I'm keeping it very clean. Obviously, I'm not going to point him by, but I also wasn't taking a defensive line. Just right here in this class, my philosophy is if you're faster, you just drive through me. That's fine, and you deserve it. So I kind of deserved it. He passed me on the last corner, on the last lap. At one corner that he was faster than me because I was faster than him in all the other corners. So he did a good job, and I deserve to be 9th. But I'm pretty happy. I mean, 9th out of 18. I think I did like an 8th out of the entire grid 1 or 2 races ago. I thought I was really proud of that because I thought that was a really good drive, me pushing through fatigue and in the main. But this time it's even better. It's like now it's legit pace. It's not luck. It's legit pace, a legit racecraft. Avoiding incidents, carving through traffic. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I was able to pass Ridgely. I think maybe he was a little slow all in the infield, probably because he had been an axle.
So as some of our drivers here are spacing out on the track, this is a great
couple corners.
to revisit the championship points.
Lap time wise, I was reasonably competitive with the midfielder.
In the mini class, right here
and I think I raced really well this way, so I'm very happy. I'm a little upset with myself that I didn't keep an eye on my SD card memory, so we got only 6 laps out of the main on my GoPro. Man, I've been having GoPro for the last 2-3 races. So Ridgely should have it on his GoPro. I'm gonna get some footage off him and cut it together. But of course the race is still live broadcast, so let me see if I can cut some from that to make it up. Anyway, pretty happy with this weekend. 8 out of 18, and this time with not pure luck but legit pace and racecraft. I'm pretty happy. So I'll catch you guys next time. Ciao.